Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In front of me I have XIAOMI Smart Band 10 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to pair this smart band with the Android phone. So let's get started. So to pair this smart band with the Android phone, first you will need to turn it on. And to turn it on, you need to plug it to a charger basically. Once you plug it to power, it will turn on after a few seconds. And after it turns on, you probably will see the list of languages on the screen. And once you see this list, you can scroll through it, find the language you like, tap on it to select it. And as you can see, now we need to download Mi Fitness application on the phone we want to pair our band with. So you can go to your phone, open the Play Store, tap on search and type in Mi Fitness. And then tap on search. And here you should see this application, Mi Fitness, formerly Xiaomi Wear. Install it. And after you install it, you can open it. This won't be happening to you because the band was connected before to some random pixel I can't find, and it's in vicinity. It just keeps trying to connect to that pixel, but usually it won't try to do that for you. It's just my predicament, let's say. But everything should be fine, even though it's trying to connect to a different device. Anyway, once you download the application, tap on open, tap on start, and then agree. Now tap on region right here, select the region you want to use. I'm gonna use United Kingdom, for example. Then tap next, and now you should see the help page. Tap on device. As you can see, we need to log in into a Xiaomi account. If you don't have one, you can always tap on create account to create one and then use it to log in. I already have one, so I'm gonna enter the email address and password. And then tap on sign in. And after you log in, apparently I entered the password incorrectly, which is very interesting. Let me try to fix it. Okay, this time it was correct. And after you log in, you will see the pop-up about the sync. You can tap on OK, and then you should see the device page. Tap on add device, tap on OK, allow the required permission, and the band should appear right here on the list as long as it's turned on and you see this message on the screen. Then select it. Here you will need to allow some permissions for this to work. So tap on allow, tap on the check mark to confirm, and then tap on next. Oh, I tapped on next by mistake, but basically here you can allow the notifications for the band. So you basically will receive the notifications from your phone on your band, and to allow them you will need to tap on next and allow the required permissions. You can also skip this if you don't want to use it right now, but if you want to use it, tap on OK, find the Mi Fitness application, tap on the switch next to allow notification access. Once you allow it, go back, and then it will be moving you to the next page. Here we can enable the notifications for calls, and again you can dismiss it if you don't want to use it, or you can tap on next, allow the required permissions like this. And then we have the weather updates. That's for like a location. Again, you can dismiss it or tap on OK, allow the required permission, and then we can tap next, done, start. And now you should see the device page. On it you should see your Xiaomi Smart Band 10, and if you go to your Smart Band, tap on start, it should be ready to use. And that's how you pair the Smart Band with the Android phone. So if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.